Very comfortable remote. I really like how they countered here. Well done, Flip Sky. Very comfortable. It almost feels like a boosted remote. I like it. I really like it. Really. There you go. So you have speed, amps, and it's probably going to pair with the skateboard battery. This is the remote battery. Here you have forward or reverse. High, I don't know what H stands for. I have to read the manual, but I have the kilometers, the amps consumed, and here probably the distance you covered. So the wheel action feels really good and has a good spring. And brakes, actually it's softer going forward and it's a little more tension going backwards. I think this is better for braking, so you have more control. Low, medium, high, so that's the speed level. I'm excited about this new remote. I don't have to play anymore with GT2B transmitter. This is going to be perfect, and if this remote actually does not disconnect and it's reliable 100%, this will change the DIY world. You'll be able to have a speed controller and the remote that actually works in tandem and it's reliable. I'm